So here we are actually at a garage on the outskirts of Galle town, and this is my friend Emma's Austin A35, which actually took a bit of a bash out in the traffic. But as you can see, while repairing the bash, the whole thing is being repainted. It did actually already look very beautiful. It's been restored once before, this car, but it's being made beautiful again. And if you have a look here, even the engine. This is the gentleman who is doing the work, who I've only just met today, but he's an absolute artist. Have a look in here, you'll see the engine is gone. This is serious work. But this will apparently all be back together next week and driving around.
To replace it with another engine.
So that engine was tired, yeah?
Yeah.
That's the A series. So you're putting another engine in. So what's wrong with that one? It's just worn out.
You have to restore bearing
and the bore's worn, yeah. Oh, that's a great workshop. Oh, that's terrific. That's a lovely Mini Cooper.